How to open a cTrader live account. Trading accounts play significant roles when it comes to online trading. The trading response time, execution time, and everything depend on the efficiency of the trading platform. Keeping all these factors in mind, AssetsFX is now providing access to the cTrader platform across the globe. No one will deny that the cTrader account is currently a booming choice among market traders. Here's how to open a cTrader live account and begin trading right away. Follow these 4 steps. Step number 1. Go to AssetsFX.org and register for your trading account if you haven't registered already. Step number 2. After completing the sign-in process, you'll see all the essential options in your top left corner. Jump down to the Add Account menu and click it. Now you'll see different trading accounts listed there. From the top left side, select your cTrader account type. Because AssetsFX provides both cTrader ECN and cTrader ECN Pro accounts, I'm selecting cTrader ECN here. After it's done, select your ideal leverage. Remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. So, wisely select your leverage. After you've chosen your ideal leverage, complete the captcha and you're good to go. Step number 3. You will receive 2 emails. A password must be generated from the welcome mail. Generate password here. And then you must click the Launch Trader tab in the second mail. Step number 4. Now put your login details. And click here. Now you'll see like this trading interface. It's pretty easy to use.